First technique is the high block. The high block chambers across our midsection. My palm faces up. When I start to execute the high block, my palm is faster than my elbow, keeping it close to my body. Palm up, palm up, palm up. When it gets close to my eye, I snap it over. My arm is at an angle, blocking with the outside portion of my forearm. The high block. The next technique is the inside block. The chamber for the inside block. My palm faces away from me to my side. When I start to execute the inside block, I come across my body. My palm stays facing out, face out, face out. When it gets to my nose, I snap it over, stopping in front of my opposite shoulder, blocking with the forearm edge of my arm. The inside block. The next technique is the down block. The chamber for the down block, we chamber up to our opposite ear, my palm facing my ear, about a fist distance away from my head. When I start executing my down block, I start a sweeping motion, sweeping the lower center part of my body. My palm still faces up, up, up. When it gets to about my belt, I snap it over, stopping about 1 fist distance away from my knee, blocking with the outside portion of my forearm. The down block. The next technique is the outside block. The outside block chambers across our midsection. My palm faces down. As I start my outside block, I sweep across the upper midsection of my body, pivoting at my elbow. Palm stays down, palm stays down, palm stays down. When my hand gets to about my chin, my hand snaps over so I can see my palm stopping in front of my shoulder, blocking with the outside portion of my forearm. The outside block. The next technique is the push block. The push block starts, the chamber is at the side of our hip. I open my hand, raise my hand up a little bit to about my chest. As I turn my hand over, I push straight down through the center of my body, blocking with the palm of my hand. The push block. The next technique is the knife hand block. The knife hand block chambers with an open hand toward my opposite ear, approximately a fist distance away. As I start to execute the knife hand block, my hand pushes out and snaps over, so my palm faces my opponent, keeping my elbow down. Chamber, knife. My hand and forearm are in a flat line, my elbows down to protect my ribs, blocking with the outside part of the hand and forearm. The knife hand block.